Welcome on YouTube, it's your girl Mickey Molly, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I got these two low buns with curly tendrils on my natural hair. So if you want to see that, please just keep watching and I'm gonna show you guys how I do literally everything. Okay, so basically my hair starting out is in like a low ponytail. So this is kind of something I've been doing recently in order to not have to use as much heat on my hair and I have to blow dry my hair. Usually when I wash my hair, I'll put it in like a low ponytail or just a low bun or something, and that just helps to stretch my hair. So the following day I will literally have stretched hair without having to blow dry it or use any type of heat on it. So this has been working for me pretty well so far. So yeah, that's kind of my little hack that I've been using. But yeah, so right now I'm basically just trying to part my hair in the middle. I'm trying to do like a really decent middle part. Okay, so I'm also gonna let you guys in on a little secret. So what I've been using to just like get my hairstyles decent or just looking presentable is this 360 mirror. So this helps a ton if you're doing any hairstyle literally where you have to do any parts in the back or anything like that, because it's really difficult to part if you can't see what you're parting, and that really was the biggest issue I had for the longest while. I literally can't see the back of my head. I mean, I guess nobody can see the back of their head, but it's just really hard for me to part if I can't see what I'm doing. So this helps me a lot. I don't have to ask anybody to do my parts anymore, which I'm so happy for. I can just take my time and part my hair how I want it to be parted. I don't have to worry that I can't do it because I can't see it. So yeah, I really love that I got this mirror. I will be linking it down in the description box so you guys can go copy it if you want. But yeah, this is really a great find. So right now I'm still trying to get a nice little middle part, and I'm using this tail comb to achieve that. So yeah, it's taking me a little while because I haven't parted my hair in like 12 million years. Like I can't remember the last time I parted my hair. Like my hair is very untrained in terms of parts because I don't part my hair a lot and I do a lot of finger detangling. So yeah, my hair isn't really used to combs, if I'm going to be 100% honest. Like my hair is just used to being just being finger detangled. It's not used to any type of like tool like that being through it. So yeah, this is what my part looks like so far, and honestly I am proud of it. I am not angry at this part at all. Like I know it's not like 100% perfect, but in my opinion I would say it's like 65 or 70% perfect, and that is good enough. So right now what I'm doing, I'm just parting out the tendrils. So yeah, I'm trying to part out these these little curly bangs that I'm going to do later on. So that is what I'm doing. You guys probably see like the little product on my scalp. That is the edge booster I use because I used it to like help clean up the part. So yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. And if you guys see like any like product in my hair, it really is probably just gel because I had my hair in a low ponytail before, as I told you guys. And yeah, I don't know, this gel that I use, the eco gel that I use, it sometimes leave a little bit of like kind of like flakes kind of, but I don't think it's like anything serious. But yeah, if you guys see any tiny bit of flakes, it's eco gel, guys. My hair is clean. But yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to get this this part decent. I'm always trying to get my parts decent, guys. Like literally literally half of this video is me getting the parts right. But yeah, so right now I feel like I have it how I want to have it. So I'm just going to go ahead and twist these two little bangs out the way, two little pieces of hair out the way, so that I don't have to deal with it while I'm trying to get the two low buns. And basically because my scalp had like some gel or whatever on it. I do not even know. I'm putting some of my oil mix on it just to get rid of that. And I don't know, my scalp kind of really did look dry. I'm not even gonna cap, it did look a bit dry, so I was just putting some oil on that. I really don't use oil on my scalp, but I just use it if it's like dry scalp. Like if my scalp doesn't look dry, I'm not gonna put oil on my scalp. But yeah, that's why I rub some oil on that, just to get it to look a bit more moisturized. You feel me? But yeah, so I'm twisting those curly tendrils to be and I'm just wrapping it up so they're out the way. So I'm going to get started on the first bun. So firstly, I just wet my hair, just a bottle of water I'm using, and I'm just wetting it so that I can get it into like a nice little ponytail. So basically right now I'm just getting the second ponytail out the way so that I can focus on making a nice sleek ponytail for the first one. And I'm basically just using some Eco Styler argan oil gel to sleek that down and get that nice and neat the way I like it. I'm also using my rat tail comb to sleek down any little flyaways and get it just the way I like it. Now I'm just using my ponytail holder to get that ponytail nice and secured. So yeah, that's definitely the vibe right now. I'm really just trying to get these two ponytailing so that I can proceed to getting my buns. But yeah, so right now I'm just using my toothbrush to smooth in anything that was left over. The toothbrush really just helps to smooth in any little hairs. So yeah, I really like using my toothbrush instead of using like a brush. I don't know, the toothbrush just does things that a regular brush just could never, you know. But yeah, so that's the deal. I got the first ponytail in, and right now we're working on the second. So we're basically doing the same thing. We're doing some more water, we're spritzing some more water, then we're gonna add some more Eco Styler argan oil gel, and then the ponytail holder again. Basically the same thing that you guys just saw me do. I'm repeating every single thing over again and creating a second ponytail. So yeah.
Oh, yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. She causing a scene. Outdoors, everybody watching we. All the in-laws. I don't want no problems. Why you don't leave it? If this thing is love, then I really don't need it. I just want to join the line. Drink a rum in paradise. Have a good time with my friends. Leave me, let me live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up in the man. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is gone now. She up with business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Watch how she business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Oh oh, oh oh. Oh oh, this girl be for real. Oh no, she wait till we on the street to explode. Why you causing problems? Girl, it's not easy. Everybody watching, too hot for TV. I just want to join the line. Drink a rum in paradise. Have a good time with my friends. Leave me, let me live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up in the one. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is not that. She up with business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Watch how she business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Oh oh, oh oh. Eh eh, eh eh eh. Oh oh, oh oh. Eh eh, eh eh eh. Oh oh. You showing off, yeah. Huh. Now everybody go know how you so. You're showing off, yeah.
Okay, so what I'm about to do right now is just put a little piece of the hair out, and I'm going to be braiding the rest up. So basically I found some old braiding hair that I had. I really didn't want to go to the store to buy more braiding hair, so I just used what I had, guys, like literally. So I'm just basically, what I did was I took the braiding hairs, put it in two, and now I'm just braiding the length of my actual hair, and then the rest of the braids are just going to be wrapped to create the bun. I don't know if I'm as clear as I can be, but you guys are seeing what I'm doing, so I hope that it gets explained clearly. So yeah, this is how I get my bun, guys, and then I'm going to repeat this same process on the other ponytail so that I can get a bun over there as well. So yeah, just keep watching, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I got this hairstyle, like literally everything.
Your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to compose. Your location, let's the vibration, I don't need nothing else for you. Your location, let's the vibration, I don't need nothing else for you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So, my location and the vibration, I don't need nothing else for you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So change me your location and the vibration. I don't need nothing else for you. Change me your location and the vibration. I don't need nothing else for you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So, your location and the vibration. I don't need nothing else for you.
Climb on board. We'll go slow and high tempo, light and dark. Hold me hard and mellow. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So we'll piss off the neighbors, in the place that feels the tears, the place to lose your fears, yeah, reckless behavior, a place that is so pure, so dirty and raw. In the bed all day, bed all day, bed all day, fucking you body know, it's a paradise, and it's a war zone, it's a paradise. My enemy, my ally, prisoners. Then we're free, it's a thin line. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So we'll piss off the neighbors, in the place that feels the tears, the place to lose your fears, yeah, reckless behavior, a place that guess I was wrong. It's a paradise, and it's a war zone.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the love for a favor. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to.
Okay, so now I'm basically at my favorite part of the hairstyle, the end part. So we're basically just using this curling wand, and we're gonna just get that heated up and make these curly tendrils. So right now, while the curling wand is heating up, I'm just doing like the little edges underneath where the curly tendrils are gonna be. So yeah, I'm just putting some Eco Gel and some edge booster there to get those edges sitting. And so now basically I'm at the final part. So I took down the little bangs that I did earlier on, and I'm about to just curling wand them to make the curls. So that's basically what they look like without anything. They look so droopy. So yeah, I'm gonna use the curling wand to get them having some nice cute curls. So yeah, I really like seeing this. It's so satisfying to watch, like just seeing the hair go from droopy to like super nice and curly. I just like seeing that a lot. But yeah, so I'm just doing that first portion, and then I'm gonna go ahead to the second portion, and then basically we will have the hairstyle all finished and cute the way we like it. So yeah, I'm gonna just let you guys watch and see how I get all of that done.
Tryna fix you in the issues with a bad bitch. Feeling like tell you that I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage. Bitch, you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh,
Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and I think it's so cute, so adorable. It's a cute little hairstyle. This is my two little buns and curly tendrils hairstyle. So this is what I look like at the end of getting ready. I was actually headed out to dinner, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I did this hairstyle. And if you guys try this hairstyle, please like send it to me on Instagram or just any of my social media platforms. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Talk all day, then at night, falling deep.